Hi students, let's see number system. This is purely for competitive exams because some of us, we may be studied very nicely before and we may forgot all the words and names. So let us study the basics of number system. Ready? First one, let us see digits. In Hindu Arabic system, we use 10 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These symbols are called digits. Among these 0 to 9, there are 10 digits. Out of this, 0 is digit and all others are digits. Ready? So we got it now, the digits. Let's see now numeral. A number is denoted by a group of digits. It is called numeral. What is that? A number is denoted by a group of digits are called numeral. Let us see now face value of a digit in a numeral. The face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself. That means wherever it may be in the place value chart, the place value will not change. That means I am writing here 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 0. Suppose I am writing this one is the number. Now, if I want to say the face value of 8, face value of 8 means just 8. We don't write any other things, direct we will write only the value of the digit, the same value. Ready? That means if I want the face value of 2, I can write only 2. Ready? Let us see now place value. See, what is place value? Place value is the value of each digit according to its position. Ready? Let us see the place value of 2. First we will write 2. After that, you see here, how many digits are before that? Yeah, 1, 2. That means into 100. That means the place value of 2 is 2, after that 0, 0, 200. Very simple. If the place value of 8 means we will write first 8. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places are before that, isn't it? That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we got it. This is the place value of 8. So same way, if you want the place value of 1 here, what will happen? First you will write 1 and after that see 1, 2, 3. 3 places there before that, isn't it? That means 1, 2, 3 will put. But of course, if you want the face value of 1, we will write only 1. Hope you understand? So place value means according to the position, the place value will change. But face value means wherever it may be, the face value will not change. Now let us see place value chart. In place value chart, we are using two systems. One is Indian system and the other one is international system. Let us see first Indian system. In the case of Indian system, it starts by ones, thousands, lakhs, crore, arab, karab, padma, shank, mahashank. Start like this: ones, tens, hundreds. After that 1,000, 10,000. When it comes to lakh, lakh, 10 lakh. Crore means crore, 10 crore. If it comes to arab, arab, 10 arab. Karab means karab, 10 karab. Padma means 10 padma. After that, second one shank means shank, 10 shank. Mahashank, 10 mahashank. Ready? So that means if I want to write lakh or 1 lakh, that means what will happen? 1 lakh means 1. After that, how many zeros will put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 1 into 10 raised to. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we will write this way. This is 1 lakh. Got it? That means in the case of Indian system, if you want to write 1 lakh means after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros we have to put. So in Indian system, if you want to say 10 karab, if you want to say 10 karab, you have to write 1. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 zeros you have to put. You understand? I hope you can understand. After that, when you come to here Indian system, Normally we are grouping 3, after that 2, 2, 2, 2. That means if I write a number 2759392150012, suppose in the case of Indian system we have to write 1, 2, 3, comma, grouping. After that 2, 2, 2, 2. Only in the first part 3. Ready? After that, if you want to read this number, see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, Arab, 10 Arab, Karab, 10 Karab. That means 27 Karab, 59 Arab, 39 crores, 21 lakh, 50,000, 12. Got it? This way we have to read in the case of Indian system. When you come to international system, of course here ones, thousands, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion. After quadrillion, if you want to know quintillion, nonillion, after that decillion, gugol, centillion, gugolplex. This way we have to read. But normally these things we are not using actually. Ready? Of course we have to know ones, thousands, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion maximum. Ready? After that if you want, you have to go through that. Ready? In the case of international system, what we have to do means we have to group only with 3. But in the case of Indian system, first 3, after that 2, 2, 2. That means when it comes to international system, what we are going to do? Let's see. In the case of international system, we have to keep 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This way. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. After that trillion. 1 trillion. 2 trillion, 759 billion, 392 million, 150,000, 12. This way we have to read in the case of international system. That means if I want to write this one, suppose I want to write 10 trillion. 10 trillion means I have to write 1 into. After that, how many zeros will put? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 10 raised to 13. Got it? This way we have to write. Suppose if I want to write 1 billion. 1 billion means here. That means 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 10 raised to 9. This way we have to write. See, reading is 10 raised to 9 or 10 to the power 9. This way. That means 1 billion. If I want to say, I have to read 1 into 10 raised to 9. This is number system. Ready? Let's go to the next part. Let's see now natural numbers. The counting numbers are called natural numbers and is denoted by capital letter N. Therefore, N equals set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here all the natural numbers are positive and the smallest natural number is 1. Ready? Then again one more thing, the bigger natural number, the biggest natural number, we can't say because it continues. Ready? Now let's see the whole numbers. When you see 0 and all the natural numbers together, see 0 and all natural numbers together is called whole number and is denoted by capital letter W. Of course, W equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And 0 is here the smallest natural number and every natural number is a whole number. Ready? And of course, some properties of 0. We know that actually 0 means if you want 0 by any number, 0 by 100 if I write, you will get only 0. 0 by 8 you are going to get only 0. So, 0 by any number you will get only 0. Now, let us see any number divided by 0. That means 5 divided by 0 if I write. The answer will be not defined or you can write infinity. Ready? That means 100 divided by 0. We are going to get only not defined. So very careful. Any number divided by 0 is not defined and 0 by any number is 0. Ready? 0 by any number is 0 and any number divided by 0 is not defined. Ready? Let's go to the next part. Let's see now integers. Integers are the collection of negative numbers and whole numbers. Ready? It is a collection of negative numbers and whole numbers all together is called integers and is denoted by capital letter I or capital letter Z. That means I equals set etc. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. Ready? This is the collection of integers. Now see, 0 does not have any sign. 0 is neither positive nor negative. That means 0 is a neutral number. Careful. You should never write plus or minus together with 0 because 0 is a neutral number. Let's see now even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are the multiples of 2. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Let's see now odd numbers. Odd numbers are the integers that cannot be divisible by 2. That cannot be divisible by 2. That means what will happen? Like 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. These all belongs to odd numbers. But of course, even if you want -1, -3, -5, these all belongs to odd numbers. Ready? Because minus comes even for odd numbers. Let's see now prime numbers. A counting number is called a prime number which is exactly divisible by 1 and itself. That means prime number will not have any other factors other than 1 and itself. That means the examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Of course, you can see here 2 is the only even prime number. 2 is the only even prime number and the smallest odd prime number is 3. Ready? And let us see now the prime numbers from 1 to 100 because most of the competitive exams you can see even for banking and all you can see questions comes in such a way like how many prime numbers are there in between 50 to 100. Better if you can study like a phone number it will be very easy. I will tell that 44 22 3 22 3 2 1. What is that? 44 22 3 22 3 2 1. If you can by heart this just like a phone number then it will be easy to understand from 1 to 100 how many prime numbers are there. Let us see the prime numbers from 1 to 10. What are the prime numbers from 1 to 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. See, we wrote our phone number is 44 22 3 22 3 2 1. Let us see that. See, from 1 to 10. See, 1 to 10. This is from 1 to 10. Let us see. 1 to 10. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So, 4. Ready? That means 1 to 10. 4 prime numbers. Now, let us see 10 to 20. What are the prime numbers? 11, 13, 17, 19. Ready? That means 4. Again 4. 10 to 20. Now, let us see 20 to 30. What are the prime numbers? 23 and 29. That means 2. Ready? Let us see now 30 to 40. What are the prime numbers? 30 to 40. 31 and 37. That means 2 numbers. Let's see now 40 to 50. How many prime numbers are there? 41, 43, 47. That means 3. See. Next one 50 to 60. 50 to 60. The prime numbers are 53 and 59. That means 2. Ready? Now 60 to 70. What are the prime numbers? 61 and 67. That means 2. Let's see now 70 to 80. What are the prime numbers? 71, 73, 79. That means 3 numbers. Ready? Now 80 to 90. Now 80 to 90. 83, 89. So 2 numbers. Now 90 to 100. Only 1 prime number. That is 97. That means 1. So So if you can behead this phone number 44222322 you will get from 1 to 100 prime numbers in your hand. Ready? Let's go to the composite numbers. Now, let's see now the composite numbers. Those numbers other than prime numbers is more than 1 and is called composite numbers. See? Those numbers other than prime numbers and is more than 1 is called composite numbers. Composite numbers will ensure they will have the factors other than 1 and itself. Examples 4, 6, 8, 9. These are composite numbers. And careful, one is neither prime nor composite. One is neither prime nor composite. Ready? Let's see coprime numbers. Two natural numbers are coprime if their HCF is 1. That means common divisor is 1. That means their common divisor is 1. And coprime may or may not be prime numbers. Of course, every pair of consecutive natural numbers are coprimes. Example 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 8, 11, etc. Let's see now rational numbers. A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q is called rational numbers, where P and Q are integers and Q should not be 0. Q not equal to 0. Example 2 by 5, 7 by 9, 1 by 8, etc. Ready? Let's see now irrational numbers. A number that cannot be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Example root 2, root 3, root 7, root 11, etc. The next one is real numbers. The set of all rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers and is denoted by capital letter R. Next one is complex numbers. Z equals A plus IB is called complex number, where A and B are real numbers and B not equal to 0 and I equals root minus 1. Examples root minus 2, root minus 3, etc. Ready? These are the complex numbers. Ready? So these are number system introduction. So please make sure that this basic you will be studying very nicely. So we got now the entire number systems. Now what will happen mean how these questions comes in competitive exams. Let us see these things in the next video.